Hello family, kumusta? Hello. Today we are in, how do you say that?
Mo?
Yeah, in MOA, in Mall of Asia, guys.
Mall of Asia.
As you see, we have huge buildings behind of us.
How much?
The small is 25, regular is 35, grande is 52.
I never tried the ube one. Looks very good.
This is masarap.
What do you put on top?
Evap.
Evaporated milk.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Let's see the chocolate one. Wow, this one smells also better.
Okay.
I think this one is the best. What is the best seller? The ube one or this?
Same.
Same? Wow. Chocolate champorado and ube champorado also. It's very hot. Yeah, we try it here. Not the lumpy as I expected. It's more liquid, so let's go taste.
Wow.
So hot. The texture is a little bit liquid. It's not that lumpy as I said.
Yeah.
But the taste is good.
Try chocolate.
Yes?
Wow.
The traditional one. Let's gonna try it. It has another texture. This one is more lumpy and it's more flavorful than the ube one. I think I like more the chocolate one. For me, the chocolate one is the best, guys.
Okay.
I recommend you this one. Guys, after this little taste of the champorado, wow, it's passing a plane right now. This is crazy. It's so loud, the plane actually. And in front of us is the MOA complex that you see there. You can see this big bridge, little bridge.
Yes. Wow, I can see it.
You can see it, that's right. It's a sunny day, it's a wonderful day here in the Philippines. And it's no better plan than going to MOA to enjoy this place. For the people who don't know it, MOA is the biggest mall in all the Philippines, and I don't know in all of Asia. I don't really know, but I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure that the biggest one in the Philippines. There's another plane there. As I told you, well, my father told you guys, the Filipino people is so worker. They like to work, and this is a very good opportunity for the economy of the Philippines. So I love this mall of Asia. It's actually so big, as I told you. I think it's a mix of different malls. We have the SM part, IKEA, I think there's also. That's a Sweden.
To IKEA. I understand IKEA is the most bigger IKEA in the world.
Yeah, guys, we are very hungry. We are searching for something to eat. So our first idea is to go to IKEA. Okay.
The first idea.
What is this?
Thailand is something.
Thai food, maybe. Wow, looks good. How about the prices?
The prices is normal. This price for this, you are in Mall of Asia.
Yeah, right. That's the truth. Submarine sandwiches. Wow, what? Why is called like that? Sydney Submarine. I think the owner of this is Australian, maybe. I love how it's decorated the street in the middle of MOA, guys. I don't know if you could really see that. Look, all the trees are decorated with these colors. It's kind of cool. And we have here this, I don't know how do you call this in English, but with the wind is going around. Wow, what do you think? You like it? These little runways, I think it's two. So this one is like a neon runway, and there's another one that is like a rainbow. So I love it so much. It's pretty fun to go through this. This area is also for food. As you see, there are fast food chains around. Also, there are clothes stores right there. We are in a very transited area here in the Mall of Asia. We are just lost. This is huge, guys. We are searching for IKEA because we want to explore a little bit the food zone there. I'm quite excited.
You need ¿cómo se llama? GPS que ellos usan la aplicación.
Waze? You have to use Waze to move around here. We are in the food area of IKEA. Actually, it's so huge and beautiful. Well, guys, there's a zone that is a Swedish cafe, as you see. But I don't know, we're searching for hot dogs because that's the main thing that we eat in a regular IKEA in Spain. They are selling hot dogs there. So I thought it was a normal thing to sell here. So we're going to search a little bit more. Oh, that's quite similar. That's similar.
Yeah.
They have it. Wow, yeah. So in the end, they have hot dogs. That's very nice. Guys, look at this. Oh. Let's see, what do we have, guys? Apples corn.
balls.
It's actually the same as in Europe, guys, but they changed some things. In Europe, I never saw the corn balls.
Yeah, that's we all feel like home. House.
Yeah, actually, this is like home. Let's gonna explain what we have. This is the new thing, the corn balls.
Santa patatas.
Santa patatas. We have the French fries. Oh yeah, we have to put the ketchup and the ingredients in the hot dogs. Wow, this is crazy. Too much time without trying IKEA, guys. I'm excited. You have these dispensers for putting ketchup and mustard also. This is feels so familiar for us, guys. So I love it. We have also this machine that you can put hot water and these things for making a tea or a coffee or whatever. Wow, beautiful. With mustard. In Spain, there was one more dispenser that it was with pickles.
Yeah, with pickles. Yeah, also finished pickles and cebolla.
Cibuya with pickles.
Cebolla caramelizada.
Oh yeah, also the caramelized.
Caramelizada. Moment of truth. Guys, for you, for everybody who watch.
Wow. I love it. Well, more or less. I'm going to try. Too much time with trying IKEA hot dogs. So yeah, let's gonna see this chicken sausage. Looks very nice. It's good the flavor, but I think it should put the pickle sauce also, and it's complete. But it's not bad. There's actually a good dimension of the bowl. It's actually big. Wow. What? I didn't expect that, bro. Look, it's kind of a crunchy outside of bread, and inside is a meatball. It's not bad, but I feel it's a little bit dry. You need to put a little bit of sauce if you want to put ketchup or mustard. It's delicious also, but
I love it.
the bread,
Wow.
it's kind of sweet also.
Es top es.
It's crunchy outside and soft inside.
Okay, como
Like donuts.
cake.
Like cake. So family, we arrived in the second floor. This is the places where you can see these beds and everything around the house. They have a lot of decoration, a lot of pillows. Wow, I love it. Up on the table. There's a tablet also on the sofa. Oh, finally. Oh, disculpo. Oh, we're at home, guys. No, fake. Oh my gosh. This sofa is so good. I like this pillow. This big pillow.
Yeah. Wow, it's nicely.
I think it's comfortable.
My butt now vitel salamat.
Oh, now your butt is smiling. I think everyone in their lives who have visited IKEA has come to sit in the comfortable sofas or whatever. Wow, look at this. We're going to test it. I'm gonna die here, guys. So beautiful, this salon. Oh, look, I have 3 different seats. The beautiful table made of wood.
The best of the best.
Wow, I think you're getting deep in there.
Yes.
I think it's so comfortable.
Tell me, guys, you like this kitchen? You want? You like it?
Excuse me, sir. What can I offer you? What type of coffee?
Spanish lattes.
Spanish latte. Give me a sec. I think you got it, sir.
Oh,
This is
thank
your
you so
Spanish
much.
latte.
Macano, bro.
I think it's 500 pesos. You're in Sweden right now. I don't know what's expected.
For the pay with Gcash.
Wala Gcash po. We're again in the outside of the MOA. We're in the main street in the center. As you know, there's a famous seaside walk in MOA. It's inside the MOA complex. So yeah, let's gonna explore it because there are so many attractions. Hello po. But only before going to the beach and die in agonic heat, we're going to see this Under Armour. I think it's the NBA store. Or no, wait a minute. It's behind it. Behind the Under Armour, because I saw this Stephen Curry picture. Very cool, man. He's my favorite basketball player.
So nice. Oh, the Lakers.
Wow, the best, the captain of the team, Stephen Curry.
Curry. The curry.
The Curry.
I don't like curry.
Bakit I'm Indian. This is the Antetokounmpo. Oh, I told you. Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Macano?
I think it's 5,000.
5,000. Oh,
It's pretty amazing.
this is Filipino, no? I think.
Guys, I don't know who is this player. If you know, leave it.
But the color is look like not the symbol.
Yeah, that's why maybe it's from the Philippines or maybe not. Correct me in the comment below. Wow, a lot of
I
caps.
don't believe. Yeah.
Lakers, Celtics. This one are so famous actually. The Celtic cap. This cup is criminal, guys. Wow, I love it.
Wow.
I don't know if you,
Crazy.
I don't know if you know the Jay Morant, the famous player from the Grizzlies. This one is the cap of the team. It's pretty nice.
Wow. Gee, actually, we can stay here and watch.
If you leave a like on the video and you subscribe, I tried dunking there. The Chef Curry. I love this shirt. Actually, the design is so fire. Actually, there's a lot of people. This place is filling of people every day in the week. Well, especially the weekends. Obviously, I'm gonna put my camera a little bit closer for you to see, guys. You can walk here with your family. It's quite nice because you have the sea by your side.
Yes.
And it's also with different restaurants. I think you can eat pretty well here. So, hello guys. Kumusta?
It's nice to come here to eat something because the weather is
Yeah.
not so.
It's not so hot as before. I think now it's how time is this? Like 5 p.m.
Yeah, it's 5 p.m. It's okay. How you feel?
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Bro, the fog is so powerful. I think that's why the people is not coming near. Thank you so much for seeing the video. We love you so much as always. Leave a like if you like it, subscribe, and of course leave your ideas for next videos in the comments. My Pogi Dad and me are very grateful with you guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Subscribe and give a like. Without you,
We are nothing.
we are nothing. Okay?
Thank you so much,
Thank you
family.
so much.
See you in the
Salamat.
next.